Hi, it's Lori with Lori's RV Life. Well, started working on the yard today. What a job. Let me show you. This is where I used to have the garden area. That out there was an even bigger garden area. Yeah, it's a lot. This is a shed. It is huge. You could probably fit two 30-foot RVs in there. Anyway, we got the outside all raked out, outside of the fence I mean, and getting ready to mow. Yeah, I've got a helper out there mowing. Gonna take a while. Lots to do. Lots and lots. Lots of leaves. I hate these trees. They're huge. There used to be a tree, I don't know if you can see it or not, out there on that corner, just to the left of that garbage can. Anyway, about a month after my husband passed away, that sucker fell over. 73 bugs sold today. Breaks my heart, but he's out there, you won't be able to hear. But yeah, that's all getting mowed. The orange trees will get trimmed. They need it. So yeah. And I have a 95 VW or 95 Honda Civic that it's a 5-speed that I'm also going to sell as soon as I figure out what price to put on it. So yeah, the Bug, the Honda, and the RV, they're all going to go. Anyway, as soon as it quiets up out front, I'll take you out front and show you what's going on. Okay, well, since he's up there with the lawnmower and the blower, I figured I'd just come in the backyard and give you a before picture of the big mess. So, here you go. Oh, there's the beauty.
Hi, Diddy Bitty Boy.
Okay, so, those big trees that I was telling you about that are out in the front yard, those big ones, the leaves blow up on the top of the house and then down the cove or whatever it's called. And this is what they do. They put leaves everywhere. I've got to find a better place for my spa because it's not doing much good to have this roof up here, shade thing. It just makes a mess. So yeah, all these leaves have to get blown off, which is my next chore. I need to get in the shed and get the leaf blower out. Yeah, lots and lots of leaves. And yeah, I do have a huge oak tree. I mean, it's big. And it drops its fair share of leaves too. But, yeah. Lots of cleanup. Cleanup. Anyway, there's the Bug. Just got it sold today. The guy's supposed to come tomorrow and get it, I think. Poor little guy. Taught my kids how to drive in that thing. Yeah. It's in pretty good shape. The only reason it's been sitting for so long is because it blew a spark plug out. And my late husband and I never got around to getting it fixed. And over there's a price or an idea of a price. There's the RV. Anyway, so I'll get all that taken care of. What do you want? What do you want? You gonna say hi? Say hi to my friends? Oh, you gonna nuzzle them? Aw. You're crazy. Yeah. You're crazy cat. You're crazy cat. Crazy thing. So, anyway, yeah, lots to do. Lots of plants. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. That RV over there, or mobile home, whatever it's called. That's where my husband's aunt lives. Haven't really had a whole lot of interaction with them since my husband passed. I'm not sure why. But if that's the way they want it, then I guess that's okay. Anyway, yeah, the wind the other night, it was whipping through here. and it tore my, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it tore it. I'm going to have to get my sewing needle out, try and repair it. I had to tie it down to this metal chair here, because it was lifting the whole metal frame off the ground. Even though it's all open, it was ripping it. So, yeah, I'll go out and get my, what's that thing? The leaf blower out of the shed, which is right there, that door. And I'm going to start blowing leaves off of here. So, as things progress, I will bring you back periodically and show you what we're doing. Alright, I'll be back. I got to thinking that we should get some sort of dinner started. So I thought I'd show you how I do an acorn squash. Not that you don't already know, but anyway. Decent knife. So, acorn squash. Just picked it up at the grocery. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it'll focus on it, but it says green acorn squash on it. I'm going to set the oven for 375. Here, come along. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, my oven is in a completely different room than my refrigerator, or than the rest of the kitchen. The reason I put it back here was because, let's see, bake, 375, start. Anyway, the reason I put it back here was because I've got a bad back, and I don't know if you can see, I'm probably making you dizzy, but anyway, it's quite a ways off the ground. I would say maybe 3 feet off the ground up high, and it's at a good level so that I'm able to pull stuff out, put stuff in without putting stress on my back. And there was nothing on that wall back there anyway, so just did it. And then where the stove used to be, let me spin you around, there was a stove that slid into that spot there. And when we took it out, we put in this Genair on the top area. Turn the light on. There. We put a Genair up here, which I love, and it's propane, and left a big hole down here. So luckily, the guy that did the kitchen stuff for me, the remodel, he just put shelves in there. So I didn't lose any space at all by doing this remodel. I actually gained space. Anyway, I showed you there's the front of where the oven is, and then the guy that did the remodel, let me get you in here where you can see maybe. Close this, maybe it'll help. He built it coming through this little wall here. I don't know if you can see all that. Anyway, I gained 2 more drawers down under the oven, and then the oven sits back in this box here, which I wasn't using that space anyway. There was a cabinet there, but I don't remember why we took it out. But anyway, that cabinet, it's just a shelf. But anyway, yeah, I gained 2 nice big shelves down here. See, they're pretty good size. Really big. Anyway, so there's that. So yeah, it just went right through the wall in that little box there. Works out really good. So I gained, what did I say? I got 2 drawers back here, and then cabinet space underneath my, what is that? Stovetop area. So I got shelves under there now, plus under there, plus I got the drawers in the back. So that was nice. Anyway, okay, so let me set you back down. So pretty much all I do is just cut it in half, maybe. Boy, it's a tough one. Woo! Plan of attack. peel it or anything. And I washed it the other day. Goodness sakes. I think I got my knife stuck. There it goes. Anyway, I don't peel it or anything. I just cut it in half. There. Whew, that was a tough one. So yeah, I just cut it in half and then clean out the insides. Just like you would a pumpkin. Doesn't have to be real good. I mean, it's all vegetable. It can all be eaten. There we go. And then, I don't know, put some olive oil in it, coconut oil, whatever you've got on hand. A couple of spices. That's good. Wash my hands off. I think I'll just put some coconut oil in there. And the coconut oil I've used is this kind. Anyway, not exactly. I got it online somewhere. I don't even know anymore. But I like it. I cooked up some chicken a while back. And I cooked it in this stuff. Oh my gosh, it turned out good. So just a couple of little pieces on each side. Well, that was a little big. Anyway, just kind of crunch it up and scoot it around. And then I'll throw a spice or two. Don't really ever use salt. And I do like my pepper. And I just sprinkle it in there. I don't really ever measure. A little bit of garlic. What is this? Garlic seasoning, granulated garlic. And I like my garlic, so I'm not shy with it. And maybe that's enough. It's cold in here. Alright, I'm going to grab some foil. I'll be right back. Put a sheet of foil down on this pan. Set these inside of it. And again, the oven is preheating to 350. I've cut these in half, washed them previously, cut them in half, put some coconut chunks in there, and salt, nope, no salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and I am just going to cover them up. Pop them in the oven, and maybe about an hour. So when they're all done, I will bring you back and show you the finished product. Yay! Okay, the squash is in the oven, and I'm going to go out and blow those leaves off the patio, and I'll be back. Okay, back out front. Figured while that squash was cooking, I'd show you the front yard. Got it mowed, sorta. These leaves really make the grass die underneath them. Anyway, yeah, front's looking good. My little area up front here. Yeah, I got a big pile of leaves back there to get cleaned up. Really dusty. But we're getting there, little by little. Anyway, these trees, like I said, I don't know if you can see them out there. They are huge. I don't know what they are, but when the wind blows, oh my gosh, it makes such a mess. The branches break off. There was a big pile. I don't know where he put them. Big pile of branches that fell. Oh, he must have already hauled them off. Anyway, so need oranges? I'll share. I think I've just about had my share of oranges this year, but they are sweet. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, the leaf blowing is sort of done back here. I'll get the rest of it tomorrow, but here, I wanted to show you what we've done. Yay! Much better. It just started getting too cold out here, so I'm done. I don't think my poor jalapeno plant's going to survive this winter. That thing is about 4 years old. Anyway, good plant. I don't know if this freeze that we just had is going to do it in the rest of the way or not, but yeah. Anyway, here comes Mr. Bitty. Hi. Silly cat. Silly cat. Say hi. Come here. Here. Say hi. Say hi. Not gonna happen, huh? Anywho, okay, so that's it for today. Calling it quits. Big old shed. All this stuff here. Gonna go in the garbage. Gonna get it cleaned out. Get all these leaves out of here. Yeah, a couple more days of work. Couple more days. We'll get there. And hopefully, I'm hoping now that this is